Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headlines. Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp did stop work yesterday. The Jamaica Teachers Association said them hope face-to-face class start back on October 14. Jacure get locked up in Amsterdam. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram did stop work yesterday in most part of the world. The company put out something so them know so people have problem and log on to Facebook and them did a work for fix it. The company never say what caused the problem will start around 10:45 a.m. but them say it normal for website and app broke down. But in a normal for this one all over the world. People did say them could use the app them all over the world. Facebook are go through some big problem after somebody who did a work there come out and chat them business and say oh it bad for some people. The somebody say Facebook knows that the app are used to spread hate and violence and other bad things and them now do nothing. On top of that, some reporters say Facebook lose 7 billion when the app stop work. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, said them a hopes a face-to-face class start back this month. As according to Winston Smith, who was the JTA president, he may go try hear what going from the Ministry for Education today to see if them change the plan them. The ministry did say them want school for open back on October 14 for at least 65% of the picnic them in every school if the picnic them take the vaccine. But this might not go on because the country still await pan one another shipment of the Pfizer vaccine where them give to the high school picnic them. But Mr. Smith said him still hope and him would be happy if school start back on October 14. Reggae singer Jackie get locked up in Amsterdam over the weekend after them claims that him stab one man. The police charge him for beat up and stab the man. Jackie there in the Netherlands as part-time European tour and them claims that him stab the promoter for Roots Vibes promotion in him belly. Nobody know what caused the cascade, but the man being have to do emergency surgery and him still in a hospital. Gunman shot and killed 2 men in a 11 miles bull base at the gun. The dead man is 60 years old Joseph Peterkin who come from Gully in a 11 miles and Andre Wright who come from Judgment Hill were they in a 11 miles too. According to the police report, around 11:50 in the night, some gunman who did a carry rifle gun and handgun go in enough house and look for some man. Them go in a one yard for one of the man who them a look for and shot right who live there. Them go in the next yard and shot Peterkin, but he managed to chop off one of the gunman finger before them kill him. Some report as said the gunman them did a look for him son. The police said them no know what make the killing them go on. 4 people get shot on Glasgow Avenue in East Kingston Sunday gone. One of them dead. The dead man at 26 years old Daniel Williams who come from Simpson Road in Kingston. According to police report, around 12 o'clock, Mr. Williams and the rest of people them get shot after them did a cuss with one man. People, but just remember when you say the curfew run from 8 p.m. tonight and done 5 a.m. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.